So I'm going to tell you a story that's either going to make you think I'm a total genius or I'm totally insane and crazy. This morning I was like, I'm gonna drive out to a place that like I feel energized and I want to be outside because I was in the mood to like shoot some YouTube videos, but I didn't want to work in my home office today. So I was like getting dressed and getting ready to leave and like grabbing my tripod and my backup battery and like all this stuff. And I was wearing like a dark blue shirt. I thought to myself, I was immediately like imagining what the thumbnail of the video or videos, depending on how many I shot, what the thumbnails would look like, because I am planning to grab a screenshot from the video and maybe put some text on it, or maybe not, I don't know, but like that's the thumbnail concept for what I had in mind. So anyways, so I'm wearing this like dark blue shirt, and then I was imagining like the scenery of outside, and I'm like, you know what? I should wear a yellow shirt because I want to know if the yellow shirt gets a higher click-through rate than if I would have worn the blue shirt. Because look, I mean, check, this t-shirt's cool. It says rise and grind. I love the colors in it. Okay. And I thought to myself, like, what a funny experiment. Like, what if I literally just make a video about me wearing a t-shirt and then title it something like, I wore this t-shirt as an experiment. Did it work? I want to experiment and see what the click-through rate is on a video like that. And that, my friends, if you are a YouTuber, I'm not a guru, but I have been doing this for 2 years. My name is Brooke, by the way, if this is your first time meeting me and you're like, who's this crazy chick? One thing I know for sure about YouTube is like the click-through rate is like the first metric that really matters, because if nobody clicks on your video, they don't watch. So it doesn't matter how good your video is. Like, you have to get people to click to want to watch it in the first place. So yeah. So comment down below. Did you click on this video because of the yellow shirt? Like, why'd you click? And are you a YouTuber? Have you thought about this? Yeah, just all these questions, right? Because just like thinking about click-through rate, contrast on thumbnails, there's like so many skills that go into doing YouTube. And yeah, thumbnails is one of them. And contrast is something I've been focused on lately. So massive experiment. All right, video over. Bye.